Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to reverse vertical axis value of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click the vertical value, then click right button on our mouse and go to Format Axis. Then select the maximum axis value, and we can see here we reverse the vertical axis value of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.